a CPU cooler making this noise for at least 2-3 days now, and the temperature is reading only 60 centigrade. Not sure what that's in Fahrenheit, and I'm not sure what is going on, because it's not even that hot. It's making a noise, and what it's known to do is start to squeak, and I'm having trouble with this what do you call it, screws. This screw over here, wait a minute, this screw over here, you can't turn it at all, and this screw here, I can turn this one, but it doesn't unscrew. This one is totally tight, and it's actually a bit loosened away or shaded away. I need to fix it. What I might have to do is get a blade cutter and cut the pins, but I can't do that until I get a new cooler. And the new cooler I really want is about 50-60 quid, and that's for the Corsair. It's like the same make as my keyboard. Same make as the keyboard here, and hopefully I can get this fixed, because I can't remove the CPU or the cooler without having the bag cooler in place, and I don't want to resort to breaking. Be careful, you've got to be careful you don't damage the actual chip. If you damage the chip, you've got to put a whole new i7, which is that's a lot of money on its own. I need to get this fixed. Inside the PC is actually quite warm, even though the fans are on. The fans are on. The fan is here, and it's been having it for quite a day, at least 2 to 3 days now, I think. I need to get this fixed soon. There's a fan. The cooler is going into the radiator just fine. The cooler comes down to using these pipes. The water's in here somewhere. And it should be cooling in there for some reason. Let me just turn down one of the fans, and then I can tell you what's going on. That's what is happening. I just turned this fan off, and it's doing that, and I can't. Thing is, I can't remove the actual CPU because of the screws is absolutely tight as fuck. Well, hopefully I can get this fixed. Oh, yes.